Hello and welcome again to Standout Scholars. In previous tutorial, we solved part A and part B. Now we are going to look into part C and D. In part B, we got equation of a line y is equal to minus 2x plus 2. Now we are going to find a line parallel to AB passes through point 0.07. So a line parallel to AB passes through point 0.07. First we need to find the slope of this parallel line. Now slope of a parallel line is same as the slope of the given line. It does not change. Hence we get equation y is equal to minus 2 x plus c. The slope remains the same. Okay. Now let's substitute 0.7 in the values of x and y to find value of c. As y is equal to 7 is equal to minus 2 into 0 plus c. Therefore, c is equal to 7. Hence we get equation of a parallel line y is equal to minus 2x plus 7. This is part C. Now let's look into part D. Part D, we use the same equation which we found in part B, y is equal to minus 2x plus 2. And now a line is perpendicular to this line which passes through point 1,5. So perpendicular to line AB passes through point 1,5. So again we need to find the slope of this perpendicular line, and the slope of a perpendicular line is negative reciprocal of each other. Hence the given slope is equal to minus 2. So slope of perpendicular line slope of a perpendicular line is equal to minus reciprocal of given slope, which is equal to half or 0.5. Hence the equation of a perpendicular line will be y is equal to half x plus c. Now let's substitute this 0.15, y is equal to 5 and x is equal to 1 in this equation to find value of value of c. So y is 5 is equal to half into 1 plus c. So 5 minus half is equal to c. Therefore c is equal to 9/2. We continue over here. Hence we get equation y is equal to half x plus 9/2. We need to give answer in form of ax plus by plus c. If that's the case, let's multiply 2 across this equation over here. So we get 2y plus x plus 9. This will be equal sign. Equal sign. 2y is equal to x plus 9. We need in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Hence, we have 2y is equal to x plus 9. We bring y over here, we get 0 is equal to x plus 9 minus 2y. Okay, to put this equation into this form over here, we get x minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. And basically, there's the answer of part D. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I hope to see you next time. Until then, enjoy mathematics.